Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This is it, Olive Branch, a stunning villa that radiates elegance, warmth, sophistication, beauty adorned with lavish fixtures and beautiful designs. Located in Gibraltar Estate, St. Mary, on approximately quarter acre of land, the villa sits amidst a lush environment of tropical trees, cool hills, and beautifully landscaped gardens. Spacious open plan captures a constant flow of sea breeze, an expansive deck which boasts panoramic views of the Caribbean Sea. There are five bedrooms which are tastefully decorated with ensuite bathrooms and balconies to take in the lovely sea views. Enjoy your favorite sports in the home theater, which also doubles as a conference room. All bedrooms are fitted with AC, ceiling fans, TV, and insect screens. Guests have the option for fine dining as well as family style dining. Only 3 minutes from the beach. Your first visit won't be your last. Guys, let's take a look at this villa. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this villa is US $3.8 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.